Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress with Elementor. First, ensure you have a WordPress installation ready. Elementor is a fantastic page builder that integrates seamlessly, offering a visual design experience. It empowers you to craft stunning web pages with ease, even if you have zero coding background. We'll cover everything from installation to advanced design techniques, helping you unlock your website's full potential. Get ready to transform your WordPress site into a visual masterpiece in just a few simple steps. Installing Elementor is straightforward. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins menu and select Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor and you'll find the free version. Click Install Now and then Activate. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. For more advanced design options and widgets, you might explore Elementor Pro, which offers hundreds of additional features to enhance your site. Once Elementor is active, creating a page is intuitive. Go to Pages, then Add New, and click the prominent Edit with Elementor button. This opens the Visual Builder, where you'll see a live preview of your page. On the left, you'll find a panel with dozens of widgets. Simply drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, or buttons onto your canvas. You can then adjust their appearance, size, and position with precision, giving you complete creative control. To elevate your designs, explore Elementor's advanced features. Leverage the extensive library of pre-designed templates and blocks to jumpstart your projects, saving you hours of design time. Global settings allow you to define consistent fonts and colors across your entire website with just a few clicks. Always check responsive mode to ensure your site looks perfect on all devices, from large desktops to small smartphones. Adding subtle animations can also make your content more engaging and dynamic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.